In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Shopify store name and URL. So once you're on your Shopify dashboard, go to settings in the bottom left hand corner, and that will bring you here to general. First, we will change the store name. So click on store details. Under store details, you'll see my store. Click on this edit button, and here you can change your store name. So I'll change it to KnowledgeBase. Now we've done that, we can go ahead and click on save. Now we've changed our store name, let's change the URL. So to do that, you need to go to domains. So scroll down a little bit, you'll see domains. You can then either connect an existing domain. I've made many videos on that. Just search YouTube how to connect Hostinger to Shopify or GoDaddy to Shopify and you'll find my videos. Alternatively, if you want to use the default My Shopify domain, click change to a new My Shopify domain and then enter in your store name here or any characters that may be available. There you go. Once you've found one which is available, click add domain and there you go. You've now updated your name and your store URL.